Good day. You probably heard it before. I'm going to share with you how to do 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures. And it's all over YouTube. Let me share with you real world, practical, simple math of how it can be done. Now, if you indulge me for just a few minutes, I'm going to share with you exactly step by step how this is possible. I'm not going to put you into a webinar. I'm going to show you everything in this exact video that you're watching right now. So I have a complete turnkey system that I built many years ago based on WordPress. You'll get premium software, plugins, themes, including Yoast, SEO Premium, Elementor Pro, etc. But I want to share the experience with you. Now, this is not a JVZoo thing where for $39 they'll tell you how you can turn your computer into a cash register. Nonsense. This is real world opportunity. So let me share with you what I'm talking about. So my turnkey websites can be designed any way you choose. They have tons and tons of design opportunities, etc. Now you'll notice up here, I'm going to keep you out of trouble. Affiliate disclaimer, privacy policy, contact, right on top. That's what you want to see in an affiliate website. Now another thing you'll notice about my turnkey websites is I want to keep you out of trouble with affiliate disclosure. So every post or product information, and this of course can be set up with Ad Inserter. I have full back-end training videos for everything. You'll really enjoy this system because I developed about 12 years ago a plugin in WordPress that you can watch my step-by-step videos right inside the back end. You can also take notes, bookmark. I'm here to help you every step of the way. I've been in the online trenches for 25 years. Do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. I'm constantly coming up with better and new ways to keep you out of trouble. So let's continue and share with you real world opportunities of how you can make 6 and 7 figures in 12 to 15 months. This doesn't happen overnight. Anybody that tells you you're going to make this in a couple of months is nonsense. Let me share with you a practical experience of how this is done. So if you head over to my website, nichebuilders.club, I want you to be part of my club. I'm going to share with you something. So if you click right here, this is the domain list that you'll have access to. There's over 50 keyword-rich domain names. So I have a 5-site bundle that goes for $2.99 every 3 months. So let me share the opportunity. So you can be joe.blackfriday.deal.store, or you could be your brand.mensonlinestore. This is completely working smart. So let me share some basic math. Now, after I share this with you, if you think I'm full of crap, then you know what? Stop the video, go do something else. This is real world opportunity because I have students that don't do this. I have curated over 57,000 students since 1995, 25 years ago. It didn't happen overnight. I've been in the trenches, working hard, building. So here's the opportunity in a nutshell. So again, my turnkey system, including hosting, everything you need, training, premium software, premium plugins, etc., goes for $2.99 every 3 months for a 5-package bundle. Now, here's how this works. I'm going to pay you 20%. So if you were to take, let's be very conservative with numbers here. Let's say in the course of a month, going to your website, that basically somebody sees a banner ad and they click and they sign up for my website. So let me paint a scenario with you. Your friends, family, relatives, people on Facebook, etc. You say, hey, I got this men's store. Would you like to buy your stuff from here? Let's play devil's advocate for a second. Why the heck would somebody go to your store or my store to buy Amazon, Best Buy, Target, Saks Fifth Avenue when they could just go to those stores? Why? Because you've taken the time to curate products that meet your viewers' needs. So you're going to get one of 3 responses. You're going to get, hey Robert, I'm good. I'm just going to go to Amazon. Great, you're still on my Christmas card list. Scenario number 2. Yeah, Robert, I'll check out your store. What, you get paid a commission? Great, good side hustle for you. But here's the best response. Wow, Robert, I checked out your store. It looks exciting. How can I get a store like that? Bingo, there's something called FOMO, fear of missing out. So if somebody sees that you're earning online, they're going to want to. So let me paint a picture for you. Let's say you go to Saks Fifth Avenue, Macy's, Dick's Sporting Goods. What if there's a banner ad on those sites that said, how would you like to build a website like this? Do you know, based on my statistics over the past 3 to 5 years, that for every 20 people to come to your site, these are my proven statistics, 20 people will click on that banner ad, and then the ball starts rolling from there. So watch this. So if you were able to sell just 3 of my websites, keep in mind you have 5 niche marketing websites. So out of those 5 in a month, let's say that people sign up for 3 of my bundles. Well, the last time I checked, 3 a month times 12 is 36. Again, if you think any of this is nonsense, stop the video right now and go back to what you're doing. Okay? So 36 people in 12 or 15 months. In fact, maybe this takes you 2 years to do this. I want to be very, very candid with you. Okay? So that's $299 times 4, which is $1196 times 36. That's $43,000. I'm going to pay you a minimum of 20%. So you're going to make $8,000. But here's where it gets insane. Here's what I want you to go completely gaga over. Okay? So the people that you sell to, who sell to somebody, I'm going to pay you 10%. Now, again, let's use those same numbers. 3 people a month is 36 people in a year. Now, I have students that have done this in 6 months, 7 months. I do have some students that it does take them 2 years to work up to this, but it is possible and it's doable. So if you take those same 36 people, they sign up 2 people a month, so that becomes 36 times 24. So now at the end of the year, you're now responsible for 864 people. And I will share with you how this can be done and how you get traffic to your website working smart if you listen to my videos. So if you take those 864 people times $299 times 4. Yes, that's $1 million of gross sales that I'm going to pay you a minimum of 10%. Now, the reason I'm saying minimum, because if I see that you're out there hustling, obviously I'm going to pay you more. So that, my friends, is $103,000. I want to get your attention on something. You're familiar with a company called Wix. Now, this is not about Wix. I have nothing to do with Wix. I don't sell Wix. I don't use Wix. But to Wix's.com credit, they sign up over 1 million people a month. So think about the opportunity here. You don't need to sign up anything close to that, jokingly. If you sign up literally 4, 5, 6 people a month, and the people that you sold to sell 2, 3, 4 people, you can build a really serious income, because I have plenty of students that do this. In fact, I'll be very frank with you. I have students that kick my butt. I have students that make more money than I do. I'm a lazy guy. I turned 61 years old this past May 2020. I work 4 or 5 hours a week. I have students that put in a lot of time with this. Anyway, I just want to share with you. It tells you that the industry is strong. If Wix is signing up 1 million people a month, there's people out there that need a way to make money with a website. And my Turnkey System does this and gives you the opportunity to earn from me. Ride my coattails, one step at a time. I want to share another concept with you. It's going to be so much easier for you. Now, I can't tell you how many hundreds of students I had that signed up for my niche marketing program and had nothing to do with selling my websites. They were interested in Amazon, Best Buy, Target, but they come to find out how simple it was to engage people with their own website. So let me paint a scenario with you. Let's say that I owned a BMW car dealership and I'm going to hire you as my salesperson. Well, guess what? I don't want you driving around in a Chevy or a Ford or a Hyundai. In fact, I don't even want you driving around in a Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Maybach, or Lamborghini. I want you to walk the walk and talk the talk. So don't you think the opportunity is going to be so much more greater if people see that you own the product? So let's get on board and let me help you every step of the way for selfish reasons. So again, let's continue the video and share with you the roadmap to 6 and 7 figures, which is the reason you're here, by the way. I'm going to show you everything in this exact video that you're watching right now. So I have a complete turnkey system that I built many, many years ago based on WordPress. You'll get premium software, plugins, themes, including Yoast, SEO Premium, Elementor Pro, etc., etc. But I want to share the experience with you. Now, this is not a JV Zoo thing where for $39 they'll tell you how you can turn your computer into a cash register. Nonsense. This is real world opportunity. So let me share with you what I'm talking about. So my turnkey websites can be designed any way you choose. They have tons and tons of design opportunities, etc., etc. Now you'll notice up here, I'm going to keep you out of trouble. Affiliate disclaimer, privacy policy, contact, right on top. That's what you want to see in an affiliate website. Now, another thing you'll notice about my turnkey websites is I want to keep you out of trouble with affiliate disclosure. So every post or product information, and this of course can be set up with Ad Inserter. I have full back-end training videos for everything. You'll really enjoy this system because I developed about 12 years ago a plugin in WordPress that you can watch my step-by-step videos right inside the back end. You can also take notes, bookmark. I'm here to help you every step of the way. I've been in the online trenches for 25 years. Do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. I'm constantly coming up with better and new ways to keep you out of trouble. So let's continue and share with you real-world opportunities of how you can make 6 and 7 figures in 12 to 15 months. This doesn't happen overnight. Anybody that tells you you're going to make this in a couple of months is nonsense. Let me share with you a practical experience of how this is done. Now, I did say 6 and 7 figure income. This is 6-figure income. So watch this. Let's up our game. And again, let's say that this takes you 8 months, year. Now, my average student is actually selling 5 to 6 websites. And the people they sold to are actually selling 3 to 4 websites every month. Packages, 5 site bundles. I also have 10 site, 15 and 20 site. But again, I want to be very, very conservative. So if you take 5 people a month, that's 60 people a year. And then people you sold to, let's say they sold 3 a month. So that's 36 people a year. So that's 60 times 36 times 299 times 4. Okay, that's $2.5 million. Now at that level, you'll start making 15% times 15%. Now, that's 387,000. Now we're still not at that 7-figure a year plan that I explained to you. So let's up the game a little bit. And again, I want to do with conservative numbers. Let's use that 5-site bundle model. So that is 60 people a year. And again, the people that you sold to, let's say they sold 60 people a year. So that's 60 times 60. So that means you get 36 people, 3,600 people that you're responsible at the end of a year, 12 months. Again, maybe this takes you 2 years. So this is where the numbers really add up. Times 299 times 4. That's now $4.3 million that you're going to make 15% times 15%. Now, we're still not at that 7-figure year plan. So let me share with you what I have over 700 students that are making 7 figures a year. And this is how they did it. So my 20-site bundle, now this is not going to happen right away. You want to build up to this. You basically want to get experience with this. Okay? So my more seasoned students who've been with me for a year and a half, 2 years, I obviously have students that have been with me for 8, 9, 10 years. Okay, what they do is focus on my 20-site bundle, which goes for $5.99. So if you take $5.99 times 4 times 5 people a month times, which is 60 a year, times 60 times 60. Okay, that's $8 million a year gross times 15%. So that's 1.2 million. Now again, it doesn't happen overnight. It's all about numbers. And if you think I'm full of malarkey, if you think I'm full of nonsense, then don't look at my website. The opportunity is there. Now put away the seven-figure, million-dollar income. Most of you would probably be happy to make $60,000 a year, $70,000 a year. I just shared with you a simple roadmap how to make $100,000 a year. So all I want you to do is go check out my website, engage with me. If you sign up for a 5-site bundle today, I will include 2 extra bonus sites. So again, you pick from my domain name list. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I can assure you, nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. My name is Robert Farrell. I want to help you for selfish reasons. Because if you're making money, I'm making money. Stay safe, stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020. In closing, I want to be as upfront as candid as possible. I make absolutely no guarantee or assurance of any income. I provide opportunity. When I started my software training company back in 1990 here in New York City, you know how many students I had that went to Brown, Harvard, Oxford, Northwestern University, et cetera, and they were waiting tables when they're done. So life is about opportunity. So if you're serious in earning money, working smart the right way, this is simply an opportunity. My training is free. Go to my website, I'll hook you up with much more training. Software does cost money, but you have the opportunity to not only have a complete turnkey system to earn with Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, whoever you're affiliated with, but also I'm giving you the opportunity to offer my products and services when somebody comes to your website. So go check out nichebuilders.club, join my club. I'm here to help you every step of the way.